Hello, welcome back. Welcome me back. I'm welcoming myself back. Sucks at Art here, and I had a existential crisis, but now I'm back for some inner monologue time. Singing. I'm already singing. So this is a painting I did, and it's so silly with it this way. Maybe I should flip it. I don't know. You tell me. Should I flip it? Doesn't matter. That's some scrapped background color. Um, and now I'm laying down some actual color. Look, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did not write down the colors because I thought that this painting was absolute shite. And so I was like, what's the point? And also, those are some branches for absolutely no reason. And also, it's so damn slow. I tried to show you what it was like doing it without like any speed on it, but my ADHD right now at this very moment is killing me. So I had to speed that shit up. All right, so we're laying down a whole bunch of colors. Can't miss those little branches. I still have no idea why I did those branches. I laid down probably too many colors. Also, this pink on top sucks. It made like teeth cells. I hate teeth cells. But here I am adding the extra color. And oh yeah, dots. Why? I don't know. I was feeling dotty. And this is normal speed to show how friggin' slow I have to blow. Hey, that rhymed. And then I was like, screw this when I was editing, and I had to speed it up because no one has time for this. So I wanted to practice my swoopy doop in the middle to make it look like it's like folding, and I probably over fixed it. But I was looking at this and I was like, this looks like absolute crap. So then I decided to put a circle on it.